Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to clear all your Instagram search history. So you have to open your Instagram app on the Android device or iOS. So when you have to open your Instagram, so you have to click to search bar for see the searches. So you have to click to the search, and here you can see your search history. So this is the recent search histories are there. You have to click to the on the top right corner clear all button. You have to click to the clear on. So when you have to click clear all, clear search history, you have to clear it all, and there will be remove the all search histories from your Instagram app. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.